So today we will see about logic gates. What is meant by logic gate? What are the types of logic gates, and what are the input we will be giving to the logic gates. So a logic gate is nothing but a simple circuit. We will be giving an input, a binary input as 0 and 1. Can anyone explain the types of logic gates?
AND gate, OR gate.
Okay. Could anyone explain what is meant by AND gate and its truth table?
An AND gate is a logic gate that gives output 1 only when both inputs are 1. Coming to operation, it works like a condition where all inputs must be true to get a true output. For example, if A equal to 0, B equal to 1, the output is 0. A equal to 0, B equal to 0, the output is 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, the output is 1. The advantage of AND gate is that it is useful when multiple conditions must be satisfied. In real time, it is used in security system when two conditions must be true like password and fingerprints.
Okay. So as she explained, so in real time we can use an AND gate for password verification. Considered in your mobile, if you are using both password and fingerprint, only when both the passwords get matched, then only you will be able to open your mobile. So it's kind of an AND operation. So anyone can explain the OR gate?
Now I will explain OR gate. An OR gate gives an output if at least one input is true. In operation, it works when one condition is true. In truth table, if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then output will be 0. If A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1, output will be 1. If A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1, then the output will be 1. And if A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, then the output will be 1. The advantage of OR gate is that it is useful when at least one condition should be satisfied. In real life example, it is used in alarm system where any one sensor is triggered in an alarm.
So as she said, if you consider fire alarm, in building n number of fire alarms will be installed. Even in one building, if any fire spark is being identified, that particular alarm will start, it will sense and it will give the indication. So here is our OR gate real-time example. Could anyone explain about NOT gate?
I will explain about NOT gate. A NOT gate gives the opposite output for the given input. In operation, it inverts the input signal. The truth table is if the input is 0, the output is 1, and if the output is 0 and the input is 1. The advantage of NOT gate is that it is used to reverse the signals, and a real-time example is it is used in automatic systems where opposite action is required, like when turning off, the input should be on.
When we are using NOT gate, consider a real-time example where you are installing your automatic light. When in daytime, the gate will be in an position 1, so it will not glow. In night time, if the gate is of position 0, then the real-time example of NOT gate, consider you are installing an automatic glowing street light. So if the value is 0, then the light will not glow. If the value is 1, the light will glow. So during the daytime, we can set the value as 0, and during the night time, we can set the value as 1. So this is how the NOT gate will be working in the real time. Could anyone explain the overall advantages of using the logic gates and its real-time application?
Yeah, now I will conclude about AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These three gates are the basic building blocks of the digital electronics, and the AND gate is used when all the conditions must be true. The OR gate is used when at least one condition must be true. The NOT gate is used to reverse the input. The main advantages of these three gates are they help in decision making, simplify the complex circuits, and are widely used in computers and electronic devices. Overall, logic gates play an important role in modern technology and digital systems.
Real-time examples, right from our small calculators till our PCs and very modern digitalized systems, we are using only the logic gates, since all the systems take only the binary inputs. As we have seen theoretical part, now we can check the AND gate practically using our kit. So coming to the real-time practical application, 7408 is our AND gate. In this, it is a 14-bit chip. In this, first and second will act as the input and third one will act as the output. 7th pin will act as the ground and the 14th pin will act as the input. As per the AND gate, if we apply both the input, then the output will be 1. If any one of the input is 0, then the output will be also 0. When both the input are 0, the output will be 0. This is how our AND gate truth table has been verified. Thank you.